Inside every dog lies a complex and finely tuned system of organs, each playing a vital role in keeping our canine companions healthy, active, and full of life. Understanding the internal organs of a dog not only deepens our appreciation for these remarkable animals, but also helps us recognize the signs of health and illness. Let's embark on a journey through the fascinating inner world of a dog, exploring each major organ and its function. At the very center of a dog's internal anatomy is the heart. This vital organ, roughly the size of a human fist in medium-sized dogs, is located in the chest cavity, nestled between the lungs. The heart is a muscular pump, tirelessly circulating blood throughout the body. It delivers oxygen and nutrients to tissues and carries away waste products like carbon dioxide. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles, which work together in a rhythmic cycle. This cycle is what produces the familiar heartbeat. The importance of the heart cannot be overstated. Even a small problem can have profound effects on a dog's well-being. Flanking the heart are the lungs. These spongy, air-filled organs are responsible for breathing, taking in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide. When a dog inhales, air flows through the nose or mouth, down the trachea, and into the branching airways of the lungs. Oxygen passes into the bloodstream, while carbon dioxide, a waste product, is expelled when the dog exhales. The lungs are also involved in regulating body temperature, especially since dogs do not sweat in the same way humans do. Panting is a critical mechanism for cooling down, and the lungs play a starring role in this process. Moving down the body, we come to the liver, one of the largest internal organs in a dog. The liver sits just behind the diaphragm, which separates the chest cavity from the abdominal cavity. The liver's functions are numerous and essential. It processes nutrients absorbed from the digestive tract, detoxifies harmful substances, stores vitamins and minerals, and produces bile to help break down fats. The liver is also involved in regulating blood sugar and producing proteins needed for blood clotting. Its ability to regenerate after injury is truly remarkable, a testament to its resilience and importance. Nestled near the stomach is the spleen, a lesser-known but equally important organ. The spleen filters the blood, removing old or damaged red blood cells and helping to fight infections. It acts as a reservoir for blood and can release extra red blood cells into circulation when needed, such as during vigorous exercise or injury. While not essential for life, the spleen contributes to a dog's immune defenses and overall blood health. The digestive system in a dog is a marvel of efficiency, starting with the stomach, a muscular sac located just behind the liver. When a dog eats, food passes down the esophagus and into the stomach, where strong acids and enzymes begin breaking it down. From the stomach, partially digested food moves into the small intestine, a long coiled tube where most nutrient absorption takes place. The walls of the small intestine are lined with tiny hair-like structures called villi, which increase surface area for maximum absorption. Supporting the digestive process are the pancreas and gallbladder. The pancreas, a soft, elongated gland, lies close to the stomach and small intestine. It produces digestive enzymes that break down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, as well as hormones like insulin, which regulates blood sugar. The gallbladder, a small pear-shaped sac tucked beneath the liver, stores bile produced by the liver and releases it into the small intestine to help digest fats. After nutrients are absorbed, the remaining waste enters the large intestine, or colon. The colon reabsorbs water and electrolytes, turning the waste into solid feces to be expelled from the body. The rectum and anus form the final section of the digestive tract, controlling the release of waste. Deep within the abdomen, the kidneys play a critical role in maintaining the body's internal balance. These paired, bean-shaped organs filter waste products and excess fluids from the blood, producing urine. They help regulate blood pressure, maintain the balance of electrolytes, and manage hydration. Urine flows from the kidneys through thin tubes called ureters, collecting in the bladder until it is expelled through the urethra. The bladder, a hollow muscular organ, acts as a temporary storage tank for urine. When full, stretch receptors in the bladder wall send signals to the brain, prompting the urge to urinate. The bladder's ability to expand and contract is essential for normal urinary function. The reproductive organs in dogs differ between males and females. In females, the reproductive tract includes the ovaries, fallopian tubes, uterus, and vagina. The ovaries produce eggs and hormones, while the uterus is where puppies develop during pregnancy. In males, the testes produce sperm and hormones, and the penis and associated glands facilitate reproduction. The internal organs do not work alone. They are supported and protected by the skeletal and muscular systems and regulated by the nervous and endocrine systems. The brain, housed within the protective skull, serves as the command center, processing information, issuing commands, and regulating vital functions through a vast network of nerves. The spinal cord, running down the back, transmits signals between the brain and the rest of the body. The endocrine system is composed of glands that secrete hormones, including the thyroid, adrenal glands, and pituitary gland. These hormones regulate growth, metabolism, stress responses, and more. For example, the adrenal glands, located just above the kidneys, produce adrenaline in response to stress, preparing the body for action. Throughout a dog's life, the health and function of these internal organs are essential for survival and happiness. Regular exercise, proper nutrition, and veterinary care help keep these vital systems running smoothly. By understanding what goes on inside a dog, we become better equipped to care for them, ensuring they enjoy a long, healthy, and vibrant life. From the steady beat of the heart to the subtle workings of the liver and kidneys, each organ plays its part in the symphony of life within every dog. Next time you watch your dog run, play, or simply rest by your side, remember the incredible internal world that makes it all possible, a testament to nature's remarkable design and the enduring bond we share with our four-legged friends. For more fascinating insights into the world of animals, don't forget to subscribe to Paws, Claws, and Wilderness. Join our community to discover in-depth explorations of animal anatomy, behavior, and care tips for your furry friends. Stay updated with the latest content that celebrates the remarkable lives of pets and wildlife. Hit the subscribe button and embark on a journey to better understand and appreciate the wonderful creatures that share our world.